welcome to this episode of Running in Circles. I am Heidi Gamel, aka Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And I'm just here to raise my hand and say, I don't want to do this today. I don't want to do anything today. I didn't want to get out of bed today. I've been fighting myself from the moment the alarm went off. It's exhausting. And here's the thing. It's all about what we're thinking that produces these feelings that gives us our actions and our results. So even though I didn't want to get up, I did. Even though I didn't want to exercise, I put on the clothes and the shoes. Even though I didn't want to do the workout routine, I did it anyway. The whole time I was angry. The whole time I was hating it. And I could have changed my mind, but I didn't want to do that either. And I'm here to say, I don't want to do this either, but I'm doing it. And that's just reality. Sometimes we don't want to do anything. Yeah. And even with the small choices that we make every day, sometimes we don't even want to make those. And we know that they're really good for us. But that's okay. I mean, it's just part of what they call the 50-50 of life. The 50% of the time we feel amazing and awesome and we want to do the thing. And the other 50% we're like, what? No, not doing it. Not interested. So there's that. And it's okay. It's okay. There's a snail. Cute. He's just like going so slow. And I don't know where he's going, but he's gonna get there. And I mean, really, what a great metaphor for life. Sometimes even just moving slowly in the direction of our goals will get us there, whether we feel like it or not. And ultimately, like, if I had just taken a moment to change my mind, I might have enjoyed the workout. I might have enjoyed the decision more, but even that I didn't want to do. And it's okay. It's okay. Do it anyway. So this is Heidi. I'm here to tell you that if you've made a decision, if you've set a goal, and you don't feel like doing it, you don't want to do it, you're angry about it, just do it anyway. And I promise you'll feel really amazing at the end of it. I promise. Even if, like, the whole time you hate it. And then, you know what? Just honor how you feel. So, this morning, how did I feel? I felt a little bit angry. And that was a wave that came and went, though it did stay the whole workout. What else did I feel? Very tired. Which made me think, you know, if you're going to set a goal, you have to remember that your goal really starts the night before, especially if you're going to get up really early in the morning to accomplish your goal. So it starts, like, for instance, today, My goal started Sunday night. Yeah, so there's that. Gotta remember that. If I had gone to bed earlier, I might have set myself up for a little more success. Possibly. So, anyway, this is Heidi to tell you that, sometimes we feel like a nut, sometimes we don't. And I hope that you have a fantastic Monday. I am gonna do my workout, run in circles, make small choices every day to reach my goals, and I'm gonna maybe change my mind about it a little bit today. I'll try. We'll see how it goes. I hope you have a fantastic day and do it anyway. Bye.